Auburn, population 24,000, is located in Maine's to ND congressional district, which covers 80% of the state's land mass and is the only district in New England that voted for Donald Trump in 2020. It's more conservative, rural, white and working class than the state's only other congressional district, which includes coastal cities and towns. Biden detailed decades of job loss in Maine, as the state's historical industries, including textiles and paper, shut factories for lower-cost destinations. Under trickle-down economics, it didn't matter where companies made things as long as it helped their bottom line, Biden said. But new investments and grants have helped companies like Auburn Manufacturing grow in Maine instead, he said. Trickle-down economics, which Republican President Ronald Reagan made a centerpiece of his economic strategy in the 1980s, asserts that tax breaks and other benefits for corporations and the wealthy will benefit everyone else. Several Democratic members of the U.S. House of Representatives met at the White House on Friday to discuss implementing the $1 trillion infrastructure bill that Biden has signed into law. A top House Democratic leader, Steny Hoyer, told reporters afterward that 37,000 projects are underway funded by the legislation. What we did is working in every part of the economy, he said.